The president there taking a lot of questions and a very long press conference on a whole range of topics. But the headline was really about the war between Gaza and Israel right now with a peace treaty, and the president saying 28 hostage bodies remain in captivity, but all hostages should be released on Monday. Let's go to Yamiche Alcindor, who's at the White House. And Yamiche, the president says AstraZeneca, the drug company, is drugs directly to Medicaid patients at the lowest price offered in any developed country. What more have you learned about that?
That's right. The president started off this announcement by talking about this new deal that he said he struck with AstraZeneca, which is the largest pharmaceutical company in the United Kingdom. He's saying now that they're going to negotiate prices and that the United States will be getting the lowest prices. They're going to add us to this sort of list of countries that get this discount. So the president saying that this is really a goal that other presidents had and that he was able to fulfill it. We also heard from the health secretary, Robert F. Kennedy Jr., saying that this was something that he wanted to make a priority. He was, as he said, frankly skeptical that they could actually make this happen, but that they did. And then, as you said, the president launched into to talking about the Middle East, confirming that he's going to be going to Egypt on Monday, hoping to sign that agreement because there is, of course, this first phase agreement on this, I guess, push to really end the war in Gaza. He also said that the other phases of the agreement, because this is sort of a multi-point plan, a 20-point plan to end the war in Gaza, that there was consensus there, but there were still details need to be worked out. Interesting, the president also said he's going to be essentially rushing back to the country on Tuesday to then award the Presidential Medal of Freedom to Charlie Kirk, who, of course, was that conservative activist who was murdered in Utah. The president saying that his wife was, of course, now a young widow, that she's going to be at the White House for that ceremony. And then the president talked about the shutdown and confirmed that there are these mass layoffs taking place right now in the federal government. We have some reporting on what agencies it was hitting. The president, though, as these lawsuits from unions are happening, saying that this is illegal for him to do, he said that the people that they're targeting are, quote, Democrats. So that was also another headline out of this, Tom.
Yeah, I caught the same one. Again, the White House saying that they will start firing government employees who are furloughed, and they will start with Democrats in the government. Not sure how they decide who's a Democrat or what kind of an organization that they may be working for. Yamiche, thank you.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.